Welcome to Flow Doodle. In this tutorial, we're gonna show you how to make a process block. Process block, it's a sequence of multiple steps that you want to use as a block. For example, let's make a lithography block which contains spin-on, photo exposure and develop, and resist strip. So I select them using the control and to do a multi-selection, or I could do, with a shift to select all the block in the same that are in sequence. But here, since there's a space, I want to select with the control button. So I click on the right. I do right click, save block as, and I will call it photo block. And then I have to choose where I want it, right? I want that into the litho menu, and that's it. I now have this block that is added, and I can reuse it by like I use another step, but here it will use multiple steps, right? This I can change mask, for example, right? And I can reuse it as many times as I want. Edge draw, right? So let's delete this. Now I've made a damascene process, a dual damascene, and I can show you how powerful this is. So I made the metal 2, and so I'm just adding a dual damascene as an old block, and all those steps is printing at once. And I just need to select the metal 3, via 3 and metal 3. And that's it. I already have all metal 3 done. And I'm making another for metal 4. And that's it for, that's it for metal 4. And voila. And so if you want also to manage your blocks, you press on parameters, go to blocks, photo. You could edit, to change the menu, or you could delete it. Let's say I delete it, and that's it. And now my block is removed. And that's it. You could use as many blocks as you want and as often as you want. Thank you for listening.